Window. I want this one. Oops. Done, done, done. Check it out. Okay, I think this was one of the last 80 artworks. This is future me here. But okay, so I had just used the alpaca from my recent artwork, alpaca wall, and I thought like, okay, so I was just so happy to have like this freshly cut, like beautiful fur kind of alpaca. But there's this wall in camouflage party raffet that like, I really love that wall. Like I tried replicating it quite a few times and it's just not the same to me. But I want to try again. I want to put a wall and I'll use like those door frames or something and the alpaca. Okay. Party raffet. It was under C. I don't know if I want anything from here. Window. I want this one. Okay, starting from scratch. I like this. You know what? I'll just take it from here. This is exactly what I want. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna put, actually, what the? These guys. Okay, I think this is the final touch. I just want to blur this.
Success!
Done. Check it out. Complete. Yeah, if you want to check out like the still image of the artwork, that's below, so it's like not moving. And because I make the artworks at like nighttime and it's on the screen, you're really not seeing the full thing. Like, go to the website just for shits and giggles. Otherwise, I've got the screen recording. That's like also a better visual of the artwork. If you want to see that on my time-lapse channel, check it out. But otherwise, please help me grow my YouTube channel by clicking like or something like that. Yeah.